In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create trance in Riffusion AI. First, open the Riffusion AI website and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, click Create or Open Prompt mode, depending on what appears in your dashboard. This is where you'll describe the kind of track you want Riffusion to generate. Now it's time to enter your trance prompt. The key here is to be specific. Instead of using a short phrase like "make trance music," give the AI more direction so it can produce something closer to the style you want. For example, you can type uplifting trance, 138 BPM, euphoric synth leads, atmospheric pads, powerful bass line, energetic kick drums, emotional chord progression, festival style breakdown, instrumental. A prompt like this works well because it includes the genre, tempo, mood, and important musical elements. If you don't want vocals in your track, you can make it instrumental. To do that, turn on the instrumental option if it's available and leave the lyrics section empty. This helps keep the result focused on the music only, which is often ideal for trance, especially if you're aiming for a club style or cinematic sound. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. Riffusion will take a few moments to create your music. After it finishes, listen through the generated versions carefully. Pay attention to whether the energy, melody, and overall atmosphere match the trance style you had in mind. If the first result isn't exactly right, don't worry, this part is normal, and refining your prompt is one of the best ways to get better results. Go back and add more detail. You can specify whether you want uplifting trance or progressive trance. Set the tempo somewhere between 132 and 140 BPM, and mention features like a long atmospheric intro, bright supersaw synths, a deep rolling bass, or an epic breakdown. Then generate another version. Small prompt changes can make a big difference. If you want more creative control, open Compose mode. Here you can add lyrics if you want vocals, or leave that section blank if you want to stay instrumental. Then use the available controls to customize the sound and vibe a bit more before generating an updated version. This is useful when you want to shape the track more closely without completely changing your idea. When you're happy with the final result, click Download and save the generated trance track to your device. That's it. You've created a trance track in Riffusion AI, and with a little prompt refinement, you can keep improving your sound each time.